In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 5 best affiliate programs to skyrocket your earnings today. I'm going to share with you the top 5 best affiliate programs of the year. You're going to see every single one of these so you can understand how they work and why I personally recommend you consider using them. These programs have been thoroughly researched and vetted to ensure that they are legitimate and offer high and easy commissions. Whether you're a blogger, a content creator, or just looking to make some extra cash online, these affiliate programs will help you do just that. Now, be sure you stay to the very end of this video though, because you're even going to discover some key tips to use these programs, how to promote them individually to skyrocket your earnings online. So stay tuned because you do not want to miss this. Last but not least, also get my free 4-day affiliate marketing crash course and find out how to partner with me personally inside my #1 instant paying affiliate program at the link below. All that being said, I want to dive into the very first affiliate program right now. Okay, so the very first affiliate program I want to talk about is actually on Amazon. So chances are you've heard of Amazon, maybe you've purchased different products and have them delivered. A lot of people don't realize you can actually become an affiliate with Amazon. So if you go to Amazon, they actually have this Amazon Associates program, and it's very simple. You just have to sign up, and then what happens is you will actually, when you log in and you go to Amazon, all of these products, you will actually have a link appear at the top, and you can get your own coded affiliate link to every single product that's listed on Amazon. Now, I want to share with you a powerful strategy you can use if you want to actually leverage Amazon's affiliate program. So one of the drawbacks with the Amazon is they pay you very, very tiny commissions. So if you go out there and you make a sale, you're going to earn a very tiny portion. So what I recommend is if you do want to use Amazon affiliate program, you find a product that has a higher price tag. Okay, so you can see this right here. This Solaka Smart TV is a price tag of $1,099. You know, you can look at TVs, you can look at cameras. You want to typically promote products on here that have a bigger price tag, because the amount of money you'll make when you recommend people and they buy through your link is going to be a lot higher. So one powerful strategy you can use with this specific affiliate program is you can actually do a review on one of the products. So let's say you look around your house and you find that you have this smart TV. What you can do is just take your smartphone, take a camera, phone, and just record yourself and record the product that you have sitting around your house or apartment. And then you can just give a little review, and at the end of the video, tell people to go to the link under the video to purchase that product. So for example, I found this video here. It's basically a review of a 4K LED TV. The person just basically, talks inside of this video. They explain some of the benefits of this TV. And you can see at the very bottom, they actually have right here to purchase this TV. And if you go here, this is a link to their Amazon affiliate link, which redirects to purchase here. Okay, so Amazon, that's the first place. The second affiliate program is going to be ClickBank. Now, if you've seen any of my videos, I've talked a lot about ClickBank. The reason that this is a good affiliate program to think about promoting products is because they have many different niches. So once you're logged into ClickBank and you go to the top tab under Marketplace, they have niches such as health and fitness products, spirituality, self-help. So a lot of these are going to be in one main niche, one main category of type of product. ClickBank is one of the few that actually give you a wide variety. So if you want to go into a more obscure niche, such as cooking, food, and wine, you would just open up that category and you can find products to promote, and then you can find your affiliate link by simply creating a hop link, and this would be your affiliate link there. So ClickBank is a great place. Another drawback of ClickBank, however, is the payout time can be long. So if you make a referral, you'll have to wait a while to get the money. It's not a massively negative thing, but it is something to really consider. Now, my third affiliate program I want to share with you is E1U Life. Okay, now I'm on the E1U Life main website. Now, what this program is it's basically incredible tools, resources, and training on affiliate marketing and online marketing. So what this is there's many different packages, okay? There's 6 main packages here. They all come with different things such as social media packs, email templates, multi-page funnels. And the cool thing is, the reason I love E1U Life, and I'm gonna be completely transparent, it's actually my favorite affiliate program on this list. It's the one that I personally promote the most myself, is partly due to the instant up to 100% commissions that you can make. So for example, when you promote this Vertex Live package right here and someone joins under you, you get paid instantly, okay? Now, $500 will go to the company owner as the admin fee, and $2,000 goes to you instantly the very day you make the referral. So unlike all of these other programs where you have to wait a while, a week, 2 weeks, even a month to get the money, E1U Life is incredible, especially if you want to scale. Now, not only that though, when you actually sign up as an affiliate, you'll see they have all these different resources, such as an autoresponder built in. They have a marketing pro you can do. And then if you go to My Links, you'll be able to actually access all these different funnels, which unlike ClickBank, Amazon, that don't really give you funnels, E1U Life gives you done for you funnels. So again, I wanted to share that one because it's definitely my favorite. Number 4 is JVZoo. So this is the site right here. Now JVZoo is again primarily in the online marketing niche. I know a lot of my audience is in that niche, so I wanted to touch on this one. This one is very good when it comes to software. So most of the products with JVZoo, you're actually selling a software type product, such as a Facebook tool or a keyword research tool, okay? It's mostly software and tools. And you can click here, okay, to actually sign up, or you can go start for free. And once you log in, you can actually go to the left and go to find products. And right here, you can find all these different products you can promote as an affiliate. Now, you want to keep in mind the different stats. So they'll share with you, when was this product launched? Okay, you don't want to promote a product that was launched 3 years ago because chances are it may not be still relevant. You want to look at how many they've sold, okay? So it's a product that's selling well. You also want to look at the refund rate, okay? So if the refund rate is, 15%, anything above 8%, then that product is probably not that valuable. People are wanting to refund. So then with JVZoo, whenever you find a product, you just click request approval, and then you basically can just request the ability to promote this product. Okay, you can see right here, it was taken there, and then you can click get approved, and you can actually click on I'm not a robot and then request approval. And then with a lot of these products, you will get approved within the day or so. Very powerful, and JVZoo is a good solid place to find a lot of different, like I said, softwares. And last but not least, on my top 5 favorite affiliate programs to promote is Warrior Plus. Now, Warrior Plus is a platform that again is in the make money online niche. I keep touching on this because, you can go to Amazon, you can go to ClickBank if you're in another niche, but most of my audience is in the make money online niche. Warrior Plus is very simple. You just sign up for free there. Now, once you're inside your dashboard, they have a lot of different things you can look at. But one of the cool things is if you go to Marketplace and you go to top products right here, you'll actually be able to see the top products that are selling right now. So if you want to find products that have just launched, if you want to find products that are selling, today, they're not outdated, you can go here and you can go to top sellers today, yesterday, if you want to look at the last 30 days, and you can actually find these products, okay? And once you do, you can go ahead and promote these products. You can go back to Marketplace and you can look at, categories. So they have a lot of different things. You can go to the affiliate and you can go to offers, okay, right here. And this is where you can actually request to promote, okay? So you can search for the name of the product right there. And then you can actually click here to request. And then you would go through the process to request to promote this product. Okay, so you just click request approval right there. And if you get approved, you will see your affiliate link on this page. So I really hope you enjoyed learning my top 5 affiliate programs to promote in this year. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you actually got value. I'm going to be sharing a lot more videos in the future on how to actually promote and start to make even more commissions with these programs. Last but not least, go down below, get my free 4-day crash course training. It's gonna walk you through step-by-step how to actually promote these programs, different traffic strategies, and you'll even have the chance to partner with me in my #1 affiliate program to get paid instant commissions. Go ahead and do that, my friend, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.